Welcome to DLM Campervans. Today we have a 2019 Black Transit Connect with a Mini-T conversion. On the roof you find solar, over-the-air antenna, max air fan. Inside you find 2 house batteries, 2000 watt inverter, refrigerator, TV, DVD player, microwave, sink, table, LED lighting, camping starter kit, couch that pulls out into a 43 by 72 inch bed, has some underbed storage, WeatherTech sunshades, WeatherTech floor mats, also a privacy curtain for the front. Mini-T conversion has a powerful 2000 watt inverter, so you can run your microwave, heated blanket, all off-grid. It does also come with a shore power plug-in cord. Check out the full details on our website, www.dlm-distribution.com. And of course you can call us at 651-285-7089. Happy camping!